Bitcoin, we start with the forward chart. Okay, if you refer back to my last video, I mentioned that we are more interested if we get this one, this pattern. I mean, sorry, this flat, because I was thinking that if we have this, we can expect the price to test this low before from there we are more interested in the buy. Now the only thing is we have this. Okay, this one, I mean this move up. Whether this is a part of this one is a part of this one, that means we will have 1, 2, 3, and the price can break the top. Then from there reverse or not. This is the start of the down move. Okay, and also we need to know still we can expect this one to break this top, even to break this before it reverse, because in that case, as I mentioned, this move will be as a part of this. We will have 1, 2, 3 to break the top. Then from there, whether the price can from there breaking this top reverse or break this top reverse, we will see, because in any cases we will have a different flat. Okay, because if I put my lines here, for example, if the price break this if the price break this top, we will have similar to what we have here. If the price break this top, then we will this part will be expanding part. Okay, this one will be where the flat can expand, and how long it is expand we are not sure, but we are not looking for this. Okay, we are not looking for the expand one. What we are expecting maximum, the price, this price test this high, then reverse. Okay, because if the price continue and come to this high, which is the expanding one, from there it make our analysis become quite complex. Okay, anyway, now we don't care about that. The only thing is still we are within this. I mean, we following based on what we have, and the only thing is right now we want to see what is this. And if we put this one here, do we want to trade? I mean, do we want to buy within this range or not? As I say, if anyone wants to look for sell, in terms of the risk and reward, can give them the better trade. But for me personally, I'm not looking for the short. I'm sell. I will be more interested in the buy. And the only thing is, I want to price retest this low before I look for buy. And buying, no, the question is buying within this range, whether it's a good idea or not. Okay, but right now, based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. That means if we want to buy, whether within this range, we need to get the trade setup. If I move to 1 hour chart, we don't have as well. Do you want to look for the small flag similar to what we have here? It depends on the traders. If anyone wants to trade flag based on lower time frame within this range, they need to know that as long as the price come to this level, they need to start to manage it, because we are looking for the reversal. And by the way, I don't think we can get really good trade setup within this range. And if we see the price start to correct, at least similar to what we have here, or a bit more complex, then we can expect to look for buy. And our buy will be with the target of the breaking this top. After that, we see if there is a continuation, we keep. If not, we take out the trade based on higher time frame. We are more expecting and we are more interested that the price can drop one more, whether from here or higher, one more. Then from there, this is what we're looking for. All right, that means we can expect. That means from now we're expecting the price will be within this range for the quite longer time. Anyway, also there is a possibility the price sharply can move from here. Even I explained based on 1 hour. I mean, in some of my previous video. But what I want to say, we need to get the trade set up. That's why I mentioned if we get the correction here, then we see whether we can consider for the buy or not, with the to see whether there is a breakout or not. Okay, in this case, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is we see what we will get here, and mostly we will be so happy if the price can reverse. In this case, we just follow the chart, and if I see any update, I will share on YouTube. Thanks.